Hello students. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic of HRM, that is, time rate system. Before discussing the main point, let's take a look at the word time. A point of time, as measured in hours and minutes, past midnight or noon. For example, the time is 9:30. Next important term is rate. It is a measure, quantity, or frequency, typically one, measured against another quantity or measure. For example, the island has the lowest crime rate in the world. So, what is then time rate, or time wages system? The time rate, or time wage system, is explained as a system of wage payment that considers the time spent by a worker in the factory. Hence, according to this system, wages are paid on the basis of hours, days, weeks or months. Next, we are going to discuss the factors which are to be considered for time rate system. First one is time spent on the work. While calculating the total amount of salary, whether it is hourly, weekly or monthly, the employer need to be aware of the attendance list of the employee. The employer will consider those total working hours or time spent on the work of the particular employee. Secondly, fixed rate per unit of work. In this fixed rate per unit of work, the employer decides a fixed rate or price for the employee for the work he or she can deliver. Most commonly, these kind of payment is called as wages, and it is necessary to fix a certain amount for the work which an employee delivers within a specified period of time. Next one, total output. While calculating the total salary or wage amount of the employer need to look into the work which has been delivered by the employees. Numbers of production unit. This number of production units help to know the actual quality of the production of each and every employee. This helps to calculate the final total wage for that employee as per their quality of production units. Moving on to the methods which are generally adopted for calculating time rate wages. Time rate system. This time rate system calculation is based on the working hours of the employee, that is the amount of time spent on the work, along with the amount of work delivered. Piece rate system. The time wage system is such a process of calculating salary of the employees, where the amount of salary or wage will be calculated hourly, weekly or monthly, along with a fixed rate of price for the certain work. Let's discuss the advantages of time rate wages. It is simple to formulate. The calculation and nature of the time rate system are very easy and simple to understand. Easy access. This time rate system is very easy to access, and that is because of its brief and clear detailed information. Production quality. The production quality will increase, and the employer monitors all the production units without any mistakes. Improves equality among employees. The possibility of inequality issue will be considerably less among the employees of the company. This method has certain disadvantages, which are as follows. It ignores efficiency. It is obvious that it completely ignores the efficiency of its employees, because of which deserving employee feels unappreciated for their work. Loss of skilled workers. It totally ignores the efficiency of its employees, and, because of that, the employees of the company decide to leave the company. Inefficiency. The workers and the employees of the company eventually feels that the company expects a certain level of production from them, not the quality of work from them. This kind of ignorance creates inefficiency among the employees. Cost of production. This increment in production output leads to the increment of cost of production. Therefore, this can affect the company effectively because of these time rate system of the wage calculations. Increased supervision cost. It also increases supervision cost because it needs huge amount of supervision to implement this wage system.